Wash your hands.
Hi guys, today we're making French toast, and what you'll need for that is a plate, a skillet, a bowl, a whisk, and a teaspoon, and a spatula.
Hey, wait a minute. This is my video. I'm making the French toast.
Yeah, Mom said I could be in it.
Get out of here. Our food supplies for our French toast, we're going to need milk, cinnamon, butter, 1 egg, and of course bread for the French toast. Let's get started. We're going to crack 1 egg, put it in our bowl. Then we're going to need 2 tablespoons of milk. One, 2. Put the lid back on. Next, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And whisk it together. I'm whisking. Still whisking. Still whisking. Done. Next step, we need our skillet. Let's put it on the stove. We're gonna turn on the stove to medium heat. Now, we're going to add a hunk of butter. We're going to let this melt. All right, now we're going to take the bread. We're going to dip it, both sides, into our milk, egg, cinnamon mixture. I'm going to add it to my skillet, my hot skillet. Ooh. Next, I'm going to set my timer for 3 minutes on each side. All right, let's turn off our timer. And I'm gonna flip ooh, it smells so good. Our French toast to the other side. Ooh, look at that. Perfect. And I'm gonna set another 3 minutes on my timer. Oh, time to turn off the timer and turn off the stove. And let's put our piece of French toast on our plate. Now it's time to eat.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm gonna eat French toast.
I was supposed to have it. I was supposed to make it. I was the one who started this video. Wait, we forgot to put our toppings on. Okay. So if you want to put toppings on, you can put on jelly and brown syrup or whip. I normally put on jelly or syrup. I only put on those 2 things. First we start with syrup. Put food back in the fridge.
Put food back in the pantry. Throw away trash. Wash dishes.